everyone, this tutorial is about C++ side on the PlayStation controller and Xbox controller to know when you connect or disconnect it. So I made the dispatcher node here and we know when it's disconnected and connected. To your projects it's super helpful and needed for Steam publishing when you have enabled your controllers for Xbox or PlayStation. And if you want to save your time, there is full project on the Patreon page. Okay, let's start. This is third person C++ Unreal project. And at the beginning, we need to open I'm using Rider, but you can open Visual Studio. And we need to find our character. And inside, I want to add a new library. Oh, device mapper. After that, we need to add in public one delegate. Device. So for this, we need to add at the top. So here, we need to add the delegate with important parameters. So let's add it. Because delegates 3 parameters. This one. So first will be on connection state. Platform user ID. User ID parameter and the last one. Okay, seems now good. And after that, we need to add the node blueprint. So we need to write it new function. Blueprint callable category and add the name like a project. Void connection. Change it our new custom. State from user ID, device ID, it should be enough for this. Also we need to open the build file here, and in this file we need to include one model. So here, comma. Oh, okay. So let's go back to the character header file. Here seems all is done. So let's go and just include it into the CPP. And here we need to broadcast our new delegate with these parameters. Broadcast and connection state, user ID, okay, this seems fine, and I need to also add the binding, so it will be better to add it in the end of the input controller. So platform device mapper, get put connection change, add the object to bind device change. It should be now fine. So let's try to build it.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I fixed this. So the issue was with my Rider and Visual Studio stuff. I updated my Visual Studio, and also I changed it here from development to debug game. And now I press it, the button, and it worked stable. Also, the code will be in the description on Patreon page. It can save your time. And here, let's open the third-person blueprint, for example. And we can make it in the blueprint side now, because we made the nodes. So let's go top, and it's a child blueprint type of our C++ what we modified. So we can now bind and we can know what is going on from this enumeration, and with which we can split it easily. So when we connect it or when we disconnect it, we can add, for example, print string and add connected, disconnected. And we can add also what Steam wants to add the game pause for publishing on Steam. So when the player was disconnected, so it should pause the game. It's a good development type. And I will check with my controller how it works. Press play. I connected my device. So now I need to disconnect it from my PC, and we have a message it's disconnected. When I connect my controller, something not working. Unconnected. Let's check again. So I have it. It's connected. I can move. Let's disconnect. It's disconnected and game was paused. Let's try again to connect. Now it's connected. It takes some delay, so it's fine and works like expected because it needs some time, a little bit, maybe 5 or 10 seconds. I don't know on my controller, and I'm playing on controller right now. So guys, hopefully it will helpful. I think the most for the Steam publishing games when you need to add the support of Xbox controller or PS5 controller. Hopefully it was helpful. If it is, please press like to motivate me create more content. And if you want to spend less time, you can just check on my Patreon page. There is this link with the full project. Right. So thank you for watching and bye.